Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week we were asked to do a special project for our son-in-law Michael's birthday.
So our daughter Christine said that Michael needs a place for all of his neckties, so she asked us to make a tie rack. We went out and bought some nice walnut, and we're going to show you what we did with this.
But before we do that, please leave us a comment if you like this video. It helps our channel grow, and hit that subscribe button below.
So we just put on some frog tape on here to prevent some tear out. Now we want to make sure we get some nice clean 90-degree cuts on this one here. So we're going to go ahead and use our miter saw. Okay, so it's day 2 of the project. We actually didn't do a whole bunch on the first day because we got a really late start. We're ready to get into this, and today what we're going to be doing, hopefully we'll get the whole thing done, but for the first steps, what we're going to do is we want to prepare this wood because we are going to be adding some pins into them. Now I picked these up online, and I'll provide a link below if you're interested in obtaining those. So what we're going to do here first is, before we drill this, I'm going to cover this all with some frog tape so that when we drill it we don't get a bunch of tear out as well. Let's get into this. Okay, so we're now ready to assemble these two pieces together using the pocket hole screws. But before we do this, there's a couple things that you want to be aware of. Pocket hole screws, when you start screwing in, they tend to make the wood move and it comes off the mark. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use these 90-degree brackets here. We're going to lock them in place so that when we screw, it holds in tight and it's in the right place. Okay, we put a couple screws on the ends, so this now is in place. We took the clamps off and we'll just screw the rest of it. We really like the natural colors of this wood, so we decided not to put anything else on it and go straight for a polyurethane. The plan is to put on several coats of polyurethane, so between each spray, we're going to lightly sand it with some 220 grit paper to get rid of the bumps, smooth it out, and before we put on another coat. Well, Michael, we wish you a very happy birthday. This was a request from your wife, and we hope we did justice to it and that you get a lot of use out of it.
Next week, we're going to do a product review. So until we meet again,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.